Integrity encompasses ethics, accountability, honesty, and reliability. Organizations that strive to be committed to these values will prosper, not just for a short time, but for future generations to come.
Integrity is behaving in a consistently principled manner no matter who is watching. It's also holding oneself to a high ethical standard because it's simply the right thing to do. Integrity is self-imposed. Having honesty and integrity in the workplace is one of the most important qualities of any business.
When leaders demonstrate a high level of personal character and ensure that the organization's practices meet the highest standards of integrity, the result is trust. Integrity, therefore, is not just a corporate responsibility, but a personal one as well. If you say you're going to do something, you do it. If you make a promise, keep it. And if you mess up, you own up to it.
Therefore, leaders with integrity are not afraid to face the truth. This is called the reality principle, seeing the world as it really is, not as you wish it to be. It is also a very important principle of leadership and dependent on integrity because it demands truthfulness and honesty. Being truthful helps gain the trust of customers, and more often than not is the difference between a business's success or failure.
Leaders need to be courageous. They also need to be open to the idea that they could be wrong. There are many leaders who eventually fail because they refuse to question their own assumptions or conclusions. There's a difference between being confident and being blind.
Leaders give promises carefully, even reluctantly. But once they give that promise, they follow through on it without fail.
In today's world of rapid change, there's always a possibility that you are partially wrong or even completely wrong.
No matter the size of the organization, whether big or small, integrity starts at the top with its leaders and by example filters down to everyone in the organization.
The Better Business Bureau sees trust as a function of two essential components: performance and integrity. Performance speaks to a business's record of delivering results in accordance with the Better Business Bureau standards and addressing customer concerns in a timely, satisfactory manner.
The Better Business Bureau was established over 100 years ago to advance marketplace trust. That is why Start with Trust is the motto.
When the Better Business Bureau chose the Child Advocacy Center for this Integrity Award, it spoke volumes. It said child abuse is our business. It's everyone's business. Thank you for this recognition, and thank you for standing for kids.
What makes winning the award this year so gratifying is that the award is in a sense confirmation to our board of directors, our leadership team, our employees, and the community that we have honored the legacy of Joe Hampton.
Integrity at 5 Points Bank is the culture created by our founders, my father William W. Marshall III and my grandfather William W. Marshall Jr., of having our team members do the right thing in the little things they do for our customers every day. Doing the little things right for our customers over our 48-year history has helped our business establish a reputation of trust.
We are proud to have been chosen as outstanding in what we believe is a core value of our philosophy: placement with passion. This award demonstrates others recognize Bridge to Better Living as a valuable resource or entity in helping seniors live a quality of life they deserve.
Winning the Better Business Bureau Integrity Award at Vancer means the culture we've been working on to create is finally being recognized by our community and by our customers.